Want to make your titles pop? I'm going to show you how to create stunning 3D text animations in CapCut in just a few easy steps. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the background video or image you want to use. If you don't have anything, just add a black background. You can do this by tapping on stock videos and selecting a black image. Next, tap on the text button at the bottom and select a text. Type in the word or phrase you want to make 3D. I'm typing 3D text. Now, go to Style and choose a font you like. A bold font usually works best for a 3D effect. I'm choosing Impact here. Increase the size of the text to fill the screen a little. You can also change the color to something that stands out. I'm going with a bright yellow. Now for the magic. Go to the Effects tab within the text editing options. Scroll through the effects until you find one that looks 3D. There are several options here, so experiment and see which one you like best. I'm using the Shadow 3D effect. Tap on the Animation button. Choose an animation style for your 3D text. I'm selecting Slide Right for the intro. Now select Slide Left for the outro animation so it goes away smoothly. To enhance the effect, duplicate the text layer. Select your text layer and hit Copy. Now paste the text layer. Move the copied text slightly to the right and down. Change the color to a darker shade. And that's it. You've created a cool 3D text animation in CapCut. Adjust the timing and animation to your liking, and don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts and effects. Have fun creating.